Hey all, welcome to another video on Form Director. In this video, we will continue to explore the types of mapping. So now let's look into conditional mapping. Conditional mapping is a mapping type, which can be used to evaluate and provide a value depending on the condition. Let's consider an example. On a Google Form submission, we need to generate a certificate from a Google Slide template, where the faculty's name is changed, based on the class they choose in the Google form. Let's see how to configure this. Here is my Google form. Let me launch Form Director. Let me quickly set up the Google Slide template and destination folder. Now click on Setup Mapping. We'll map the student's name directly to the form field. And now let's map the faculty field. Choose Conditional as the mapping type. As soon as you choose the mapping type, you will have a condition set. Within the condition set you can have multiple conditions to it, and you can also have multiple condition sets. Now, let's configure it for our use case. Let me pick up a field which I want to compare, and choose the operator as equals. We also have multiple operators to be chosen, and let's check the value to class 6. And provide the faculty name, who is responsible for class 6, in the result field. You can either type the value directly or choose it as the field from the field picker. In the same way, we can repeat this process for different classes. You can also use the default value. This value is used when there are no condition sets matched. You can also test the conditions by clicking on the Check Condition button and providing the values to it. Finally, save the mapping. We have now successfully configured the service. Let's test this by submitting the Google form. Simply fill out the details and hit the Submit button. Now you can see the certificate has been generated in the configured folder. It has replaced the student's name and the faculty's name according to the class selected. I hope you enjoyed this, and we will catch up on another video, so until then take care, bye bye, and cheers.